Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can create new item set in League of Legends. First of all, we have to go for the collection at the top. Next we have to go for items, and to create the new one we have to click right here on this plus. In this place we can quickly pick any item that we want for our new set. So let me just do this, for example, for Soraka. So I'm gonna drag right here support items, and to move any item you have to click and hold with the left mouse button and then release when you move it on the right side for this new block. So next let's go for the shoes. We can also take the Ardent and maybe what we can get, the Warmog, and the last item will be maybe Spirit Visage. So that's the block that we create. If you want to rename, for example, we can set the name full build, click enter to confirm, and below you can also create, for example, items for early. So we can grab right here the boots, this potion, maybe Ruby Crystal, Pink Ward, and this Forbidden Idol. And we can also set name, click enter to confirm, and that's how we can do this. You can also change position of these blocks, and if you want to save, you can for sure do this by tapping right here, and you can still edit this item set. Here we can rename the whole block, so let's type Soraka, click enter to confirm, and here you can pick the champ, so let's type Soraka and select her, then click outside, and also not sure what is going on with these buttons, but that's basically how we can do this. And to confirm everything, just click save. Then when we go back and scroll down, as you can see, we can find new item set. And okay, that's for the map, so it will be, you can select it if you want to use it for the Summoner's Rift or Holding Abyss. When you click on it with these three dots, you can duplicate or delete. So let me just do this for this item set. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.